Hey everyone, hope you're having an amazing day. My name is Jericho and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel and if you like this type of content, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you'll never miss any of my videos. I post cooking videos every Saturday. And also, by the way, I just want to introduce to my father. He's an executive chef and my mentor, and he'll be in my videos for quite a while.
Hi guys, my name is Chef Jojo. Today, I'm collaborating with my son Jericho in his YouTube channel. We will share some good recipes to you guys. Enjoy! Merhaba arkadaşlar, Jericho'nun kanalı hoş geldiniz. Benim adım Chef Jojo. Şimdi makarna, Yunan sosis, kremalı mantar sos with tavuk cordon bleu yemek yapıyoruz. Kanala hoş geldiniz. Kumusta po mga kabayan? Welcome po sa Jericho's YouTube cooking channel. Ngayon, kayo po ay mag-share ng mga food recipes. Sana po magustuhan ninyo. Samahan niyo po kami sa aking pagluluto. Huwag pong kalimutang mag-like, comment, share, and subscribe sa channel na ito. Welcome guys! Samahan niyo po kami sa aking pagluluto.
So today in this video, we're going to show you how to make Greek sausage with mushroom sauce and chicken cordon bleu. And yeah, enough talking, let's make this, shall we? To make our Greek sausage pasta with mushroom sauce and chicken cordon bleu is super easy to make. As always, all the recipes are in the description box down below. First things first, we're going to make our chicken cordon bleu. Okay, grab a chicken thigh, then do the butterfly cut so it's easier to roll the chicken once we add the stuff. Repeat the same process with 3 more chicken thighs, and then add mustard, then brush the chicken, and finally season it with salt and pepper. Once that's done, add a slice of ham for each thigh, then add a small stick of mozzarella, then roll it and wrap it tightly with a plastic wrap and put it in the fridge and let it sit for 30 minutes. 30 minutes later, start preparing the coating for the chicken. Pretty much it's just a cup of breadcrumbs, a couple tablespoons of flour, and 2 eggs. First, coat the chicken with flour, then dip it into the eggs, and last but not least, coat it with breadcrumbs, then set it aside. Once you finish coating the chicken, heat the pan with cooking oil in a low heat and then fry the sides for 2 minutes just to seal the corners. Do the same thing on the other side as well. Then lay the chicken and fry for 5 minutes each side or until golden brown. After that, transfer them into a plate and let them cool down for 10 minutes. While that's cooling down, we have plenty of time to make our Greek sausage pasta with mushroom sauce. In a pan, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil following with 4 cloves of minced garlic, and then add 100 grams of Greek sausage. Give it a quick toss, then add 100 grams of sliced mushroom. Give it a quick toss again so that the mushrooms and the sausage will get to know each other. Then sprinkle a little bit of the parsley because we'll use the rest as garnish. Add a touch of black pepper, and finally add a cup of heavy cream and let it come to simmer about 3 to 4 minutes or so. Then set it aside because we're gonna boil our pasta. In a pot of water, add a couple tablespoons of olive oil and season it with salt and let it come to a boil. Once the water is boiling, add 500 grams of fettuccine and boil it for 8 minutes. 8 minutes later, drain the pasta and dunk the pasta into the sauce and heat the stove to high heat and mix it until it's well combined. Now we can plate the pasta and the chicken cordon bleu. This is by far the best Greek sausage pasta with mushroom sauce and chicken cordon bleu you'll ever make. Well, there you go, my friends. That's how you make Greek sausage pasta with mushroom sauce and chicken cordon bleu. If it's helpful, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you'll never miss any of my videos. I post cooking videos every Saturday. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye.